Hey everyone, welcome back to 5R Empire. If you love smart home gadgets that make life easier without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, we're checking out Amazon's Alexa speaker, the Echo Pop in Midnight Teal. Is this little guy worth your cash? Let's find out. Ever wanted Alexa in every room, but don't want to spend a fortune or fill up your space with bulky speakers? This might be the perfect solution. Stick around to see how it sounds, what it can do, and if it's the right fit for your home. Let's dive into the box. You get the Echo Pop itself, a power adapter, and a quick start guide. Right away, the midnight teal color stands out. It's modern, fun, and way more interesting than your standard black or white. It already looks like something you'd want on your nightstand or kitchen counter. This is Amazon's most compact Alexa speaker yet. It's super lightweight and honestly fits just about anywhere: nightstand, kitchen, bathroom shelf, you name it. The design is minimal, and the LED light bar gives it a nice, touchy vibe. So, how does it sound? For such a tiny speaker, the Echo Pop delivers clear vocals and decent volume. It's perfect for podcasts, news, or background music while you're cooking. If you're hunting for deep bass or want to fill a big room with sound, you might want to look at the Echo Dot instead. But for small spaces, this does the trick. Of course, you get all the classic Alexa features: set timers, control your smart plugs and lights, check the weather, and more. The Echo Pop supports the new Matter standard, so it works with a ton of smart home devices. I tested it with a smart plug and a smart bulb, and both worked flawlessly, no hiccups at all. Here's what I like: super compact and stylish, especially in midnight teal, affordable price, easy setup, and reliable Alexa features. Great for bedrooms, kitchens, or dorms. A couple of things to keep in mind: not portable, needs to stay plugged in. Sound is good for its size, but not as powerful as bigger Echo speakers. No built-in clock or extra sensors. If you want to add Alexa to a small space or start building a smart home on a budget, the Echo Pop is a solid choice. It's also a great gift for students or anyone just getting into smart home tech. So, is the Echo Pop worth it? For the price and size, I think it's a great addition to any smart home setup. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more honest tech reviews, and let me know in the comments, what would you use the Echo Pop for? Kitchen, bedroom, or somewhere else? Thanks for watching 5R Empire, and I'll see you in the next one.